Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to buy penny stocks on Cashapp. So first of all, we're gonna see whether you can buy penny stocks on Cashapp or not. So firstly, I just wanted to take you through this Cashapp support page where you can read about penny stock and what Cashapp has to say about penny stock. So according to Cashapp generally defines a penny stock as a stock that trades for less than $4 per share, because penny stocks are very riskier than the other stocks. So Cashapp want you to read this disclaimer before you go ahead and purchase any stock on Cashapp which are less than the value of $4. So just go through these risks that are involved in buying a penny stock on Cashapp. So Cashapp generally say that they has a very high risk rate in trading halls and bankruptcy and delisting. So before buying any penny stocks on Cashapp, you may consider reading this article carefully. And if you still want to go ahead and buy penny stocks, you can also connect to the customer support for any further advice, or if you have any doubt regarding penny stocks whatsoever. If you still want to buy penny stocks on Cashapp, you just have to come back and open your Cashapp, and here just click on the banking icon at the bottom left corner of your mobile screen, and here just click on invest in stocks. Now you can search the name of the stock which are less than the value of $4, or which are penny stocks, and you can search them and go ahead and buy them. And if you want any advice or any customer support, just you can go to this profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen, and here just scroll down and click on support, and here you can talk to the customer executive if you have any doubt regarding penny stocks. So that's it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.